From Shadows to Light, the truth of Netaji's mortal end. The book is the result of my years of research to uncover the truth about the final chapter of one of India's greatest heroes, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji dedicated his life for India's independence. He was not only brave but also a sharp visionary. Yet a long shadow fell over his last days. Shadow. It's a shadow that has confused historians, intrigued the public, and sparked countless controversies. Has spawned at least 16 stories. In writing this book, my aim was not only to investigate the mystery of his so-called disappearance in 1945, but also to find clarity where there was ambiguity and to expose the unverified stories that had been circulated in the past. Among those 16 stories, 9 were stories of sadhus and babas who were said to be Netaji, tagged as Netaji, which started with the Shoilomari Sadhu of the 60s and then ended with Gumnami Baba. To uncover the truth, I searched the world's archives, deciphered conflicting accounts, examined personal testimonies, and most importantly, looked at the matter with an open mind. During this process, abuses were hurled at me by groups with vested interests, and I have also been physically threatened by the same people. My intention was not simply to uncover the truth. It was to bring the truths that had been silenced or obscured into the light. Hence the name of the book, From Shadows to Light. For example, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi announced in March before the 2014 parliamentary elections that if he becomes the Prime Minister, he will bring Netaji's ashes from Japan to India with dignity. He had done this before. He had brought back the ashes of Gujarat's freedom fighter Shyamji Krishna Varma from Geneva to Gujarat in 2003 after 73 years of exile. Apart from this, in 2013, Modi sent a message to the head priest of Renkoji temple in Japan, expressing his gratitude for keeping Netaji's ashes with respect for 7 decades. He knows very well that those ashes are of Netaji. There is a photocopy of all this information in this book. Besides, the book is filled with photocopy of numerous legally verified documents in support of the information given. I am indebted to many people for making this effort a success. To various scholars, archivists, historians, the Bose family, to my family and friends who have helped me with my long nights of research and writing. And to you, my readers, who I hope will read this book with curiosity and critical thought, the critical thinking that inspired me to write this book. Thank you.